message has been transmitted at the request of the Columbus City Police Department. At 1:58 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, there is an unusual event occurring in Columbus City. Several people have suddenly stopped, and then started dancing by clapping their hands on the first beat, then move their arms outside, then inside, and then repeat. People who have gotten eye contact with the person dancing will join in after the last beat. Due to whether if this is a situation that should be taken seriously, all residents within the affected counties are advised to shelter in place and do not
We spent so much money on that.